The results since joining, I've been in the program for almost a year. Grew my income by over 400K last year.
Since coming onto the program, I broke records in my initial role at my company, was promoted in record time, and have since become the #1 salesperson on the team.
I'm already setting more outbound meetings than anybody in the company has done. And jaws are kind of dropping at what I'm able to do outbound-wise.
I would highly recommend this to anyone that is really looking for true growth in their life.
And being a part of this program helped me to realize that those goals are closer than I think, and I have the exact steps to take in order to get there.
When you actually get that sort of tactical advice and then you start to internalize it, that's when you can go and make progress a lot quicker than other people.
If you're watching this, you're probably like kind of on the fence, like, hey, you know, I'm not really sure if like it's worth it. Dude, it's worth it.
When it came time to renew, I actually asked Justin if I could renew for longer than the options that he presented me because I was that happy with the program.
It has taken me to another level and where my mindset's totally changed, and I'm really excited about what's moving forward.
This is an opportunity of a lifetime. I really mean that. And I'm excited for the continued growth, not just this year, but for the rest of my life.